Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying the essentials. Confirm your account is active and the SIM sits correctly in the tray. Next, turn on airplane mode for about 10 seconds, then turn it off to force a network rescan. If nothing changes, restart the phone. This clears temporary radio glitches. While you do that, note whether the problem affects voice, data, or both and the signal strength where you are so you can compare results as you continue. Once done with quick fixes, dive deeper. Go to Settings and pick Network Operators manually to force a preferred carrier connection, because automatic selection can latch to weak towers. Then, if issues persist, perform a network settings reset to restore correct APN and radio defaults. Make sure you have passwords for saved Wi-Fi. Try the SIM in another handset to determine whether the carrier or your device is at fault. This isolates. You finish by updating carrier settings and the phone operating system, then reboot to apply changes because many fixes arrive via updates. If the problem remains, call your carrier to verify provisioning and local outages. They can push a refresh or reprovision your line. Finally, get a replacement SIM or arrange a service check if the device hardware is suspect. Troubleshooting tip: if intermittent, test in an outdoor open area. If service returns there, it's likely local coverage, not.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.